Um, here it goes. Mommy, Christmas is coming soon. Hope you brought me some food. I haven't been fed in a year. I hope you listen this year. Santa's coming, yes he is. He's gonna bring me presents and your tiny dick. Your blonde hair makes me so crazy. I like you when you're naked. Hey Mom, I love you. Hope this doesn't go on YouTube. Hey Mom, love you. Now let's rock. Alright, that was just... Alright, now I'm gonna play real